want to disturb them. There's birds down there. There's two of them on the square one on the wooden table. I don't want to disturb them. Anyway, we're going to feed the birds. Oh, we disturbed them. I don't know who keeps knocking this one off. I really don't know. Right, what do we need? A lot of everything. By the looks of it. Looks like everything's empty. Oh. Stand. Right, yeah. Ow. Hey, look at my candle now. It's going down. We're having fun, it's melting well. Right, so I don't think I've got any squares to go in there. I've run out of blocks, so we need to go to Wilco's and get some more. I can't put another thing out. Another coconut out. A lot of dust. Where's the dust? I think you just put these out the other day. Look at them. They've been pecked clean. Pecked clean. One and two. Take it they like the B&M coconuts. The reason I've got two out is because I've run out of blocks. Because normally I'd have a cage with a block there. There's some bowls in here. Okay. Right. Peanuts. Lots of peanuts. Peanuts aren't lasting a while. I'm quite pleased with how the big bag of peanuts is lasting. Now, I'm not going to be able to feed them tomorrow, so that's why I'm doing it today. So I do a lot. Mind the roof. Don't go stepping on the roof. Should I move the roof out the way? Turn that way, because then I can see them from the window. Lots of peanuts on the floor. That one needs refilling as well. Just our bird flying to the tree. He's watching us. But this one's a bit trickier to get into than the others. Feels like there's something on me. Look, yeah, take it upside down and twist and shout. Bing, bing, bing. What's a baby? Hello? That's the baby. That's the baby from out my box. It had a fluffy head. It's a baby. He came to see what I was doing. Or she did. Guess they only had one baby this year then. Is that usual? Only one baby? The squirrels don't seem to like this one. So the finches get a look in. I don't know why. I think that's why that keeps falling, because the squirrels keep doing gymnastics on it. I might water my garden tomorrow night. Water my butterfly garden anyway. The peanuts are filled. Plenty of seeding still. Mealworms, and then the things on there. Let's do the hearts this time instead of the sunflower seeds. Thought we were gonna fall then. I got a feeling. Seeds lasted well as well. Really noisy starlings that come every morning. Actually, I think there's 3 or 4 of them. They're so noisy. They fight, they argue. I end up telling them off. I do. And I pack up and they'll look at you and go, and carry on. It's like having kids. It is. But they come for these and they go nuts when they're greedy. Nothing else gets looking with it. This is how greedy they are. Now they only tend to come about in the morning, so I'm hoping, because I've done it at night time, the other birds might get a bit of a look in. Yes. Right, let's put the roof back on, shall we? Just water. I need to find something to do water for them. Can't use a watering can. They're not going to sit there and let me pour water in their mouth, are they? Problem is, if I put a container there in the hoop that's meant to be for water, the squirrels tend to sit with their butts in it and eat the bowls. So that's why I've not bothered putting that container back up there. So I need to find something that will sit on its own to feed them. Yes. Mr. Producer didn't like my other idea of the big table thing. He says they'll fall over or get knocked over by the football. So yeah, it's back to the drawing board on that one. Yeah, that is my lovely birds, all fed for the weekend. Yes. Have a good day now. I love you all. Don't forget to like the video for me, subscribe to my amazing YouTube channels, and follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram at Adelesexyuk. I'm also on my amazing Patreon. If you want to come and support my YouTube channels, come on over, pledge your support. From only $1 a month, you get Patreon videos and pictures. There are quite a few ways to get there. The link might be in the description box below. Check that out. There are 3 other ways. You can either Google me at Adelesexyuk Patreon and I'll pop up, or you can come through my Twitter and my Instagram at Adelesexyuk as well. And I'll see you soon, my lovelies. Goodbye.